Hi there. A lot of parents who have babies that were born with Meconium Aspiration Syndrome ask us birth injury lawyers, what do the experts look at and rely upon to come to their opinions? I'm going to explain that to you. So, expert witnesses are important in Meconium Aspiration Syndrome cases. We get obstetricians, we get neonatologists, we get neurologists in order to prove the timeline that shows meconium aspiration was the cause of the injuries. The number one thing that these experts look at is the timeline. They will look at all of the records in their totality from when you first got pregnant all the way throughout your pregnancy to exclude any causative factors that might have caused lung or brain injury. Then they'll look at the labor and delivery records, and they'll look specifically at the fetal heart rate strips. It will determine whether or not there was any type of fetal distress at those situations to see whether the doctors and nurses should have identified that distress and actually done something about it. After the labor and delivery records, they will also review the NICU records. That will help determine the ventilation amount and length that was used on your baby to see whether it was adequate, or if it was inadequate, whether it contributed to the lung and or brain injuries. This is the number one piece of evidence, the timeline, that our experts will review in order to determine whether or not there was malpractice in your MAS case. If you want to speak to a birth injury lawyer more about the details of your case, you can schedule a call with me. My name is Adam Funk. I'm a birth injury lawyer. I'd be happy to chat with you free of charge.